Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln(s) minus ln(s) squared. So if I do first the derivative for the both sides, we have du equals to 1 over s minus number 2 ln s over s ds. dv, we have ds over s to the power of 3. And this one we can write into s to the power of negative number 3 ds. The integration of this one, we have v equals to s to the power of negative number 3 plus 1 over negative number 3 plus 1. So this one we have negative number 2, negative number 2. So we have u multiplied by v minus du multiplied by v, but we have the negative number 2 in here, so you got about positive 1 over 2. And we have the integration s to the power of negative number 2, that's about 1 over s squared. So s squared with s, you got about s to the power of 3. The integration of 1 over s to the power of 3, that's about this one in here. Minus, we have number 2 divided by 2, that cancel. So we will have about the integration ln s over s to the power of 3 ds. Now we need to concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by parts. So I will put about u equals to ln s du, you got about the s over s. dv, we have the s over s to the power of 3. And this one is similar for this one. So we have u multiplied by v minus du multiplied by v, because we have the negative number 2, negative with negative, you got about positive, and we have 1 over 2. And we have the integration of the s over s to the power of 3. And we know that this integration, that's about this one. And we put about c. Now we return back to this one in here. So this integration, that's about this one. And we put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.